Hi everyone. This is a quick video for a ServiceNow developer. If you are a ServiceNow developer and if you are changing your company, this video might be helpful. Here I will be explaining if you are serving notice period, if you are moving into a new organization, how you can move your ServiceNow certification from the old organization to the new organization. I'm a ServiceNow developer with 3 years of experience, and recently I joined a new company. And while moving into a new company, I faced bit challenge. Like I didn't know to move my certification from my old ServiceNow account to the new ServiceNow account. So here I will explain to you. We will not take much time. Okay. So, who is working as a ServiceNow developer, they know that whatever the certification may be linked with your account, which is linked with your corporate mail ID. For example, if you have corporate mail ID, you will get it in your current company. And when you are moving to a new company, and if your current company mail ID become inactive, then it is a bit difficult to move your certification from old mail ID to the new mail ID, because after you move to a new company and you will get, there will be some delay or for getting a new mail ID. So what I did, I have a ServiceNow account with my company mail ID. Just my last working day, few days before my last working day, I moved, like I created one ServiceNow account with my personal mail ID, and I moved all the certification from the my previous company to my personal mail ID before my last working day. So once I joined the new company, I got a new mail ID. New mail ID means the company mail ID in my new organization. Then what I did, I moved from my personal email ID, like the certification, to a new company email ID. So it is a simple step. In the beginning, while you are moving your previous organization, like while you are moving the certification from the previous organization to your personal mail ID, this should be happens before your last working day. Okay, so if you are not having any account with your personal email ID, just create a ServiceNow account. Then come here, like open the ServiceNow University. Then go to my profile and setting. It is a very simple step. You can do that. So you should be logged in to your ServiceNow account using your personal mail ID first. Then after bio there is a ServiceNow ID and contact. You need to click on here. Okay, for me it is not showing currently, but there will be a two option. One is update ID and one is merge ID. So we need to go with the merge ID option because I already done it before. It may be not showing to me. You need to click on merge ID, and once you click on your merge ID, it will ask the email ID of the account which you need to merge with your personal ID. So here you need to give your company email ID, company email ID, because after last day this email ID will become inactive, so you can't access. So before that only you need to move your certification to your personal mail ID. Okay. So once you click the merge ID and you are giving your old means your company email ID, your both account will be inactive for 12 hours to 1 day. After that, you will get a mail and it will become active, and your all certification and some other like certifications and your community post, and I think all will move to your personal email ID. This is the first step you need to do. Okay. So then after like you started working on your new like after you started working in your new organization after you are joining, you will get a mail ID from there, and then you need to create a ServiceNow account from there. Then it is a simple step again to move your certification from your personal mail ID to the new company mail ID. Same step, you need to log in using your new company mail ID. And same, you need to go my profile, ServiceNow ID, and contact. There also you'll get a merge ID option. You need to click on there and you need to give the your personal mail ID, because in this time you need to move the certification from your personal email ID to your new company email ID. Same. So again, it will be same process. It will be inactive for 12 to 12 hours. For me, it took only 6 hours, and I got a mail, and it all this moved without any issues. And yeah, and if you are having any queries or if you are facing issue while moving the certification, and please comment it down. I will try to help you, and I will try to reply you. And thank you for your time. Have a great day.